Our solar system. Our Sun is in the center of the solar system. It is a star and the biggest object in the solar system. All the objects in our solar system revolves around the Sun. Here are some information about planets. Mercury. The smallest planet in our solar system is Mercury. It is the first planet from the Sun. The size of Mercury is the same as of our Moon. It is very close to the Sun. Mercury revolves around the Sun faster than any other planet. That is how it got its name. It was named after Mercury, the swift messenger of the gods in ancient Roman mythology. 2. Venus. The size of Venus and the Earth is almost the same. Venus is the closest planet to Earth, but it does not have oceans or human life like Earth. Venus becomes so hot during the day that it can melt a lead cannonball. The temperature rises to 484 degrees. 3. Earth. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun. The Earth has an atmosphere made up of many different gases, but mainly it has nitrogen and oxygen. The atmosphere gives us air to breathe. We live on the planet Earth. 4. Mars. Mars is a dusty, cold, desert planet with a very thin atmosphere. On its warmest day, Mars can still be a very cold place. At the top and bottom of the planet are poles just like on the Earth. During the Martian winter, ice caps can be seen at the poles. Jupiter, fifth in line from the Sun, Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Its atmosphere resembles that of the Sun, which is made up mostly of hydrogen and helium gases. Jupiter gives off 2 times more heat than it gets from the Sun. It shines very brightly in the night sky for 9 months of the year when it is closest to Earth. Huge areas of swirling gases can be found in Jupiter's atmosphere. The largest swirling area of gas is called the Great Red Spot. 6. Saturn. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun and the 2nd largest planet in the solar system. It is a gas giant made up mostly of hydrogen and helium. Saturn is big enough to hold more than 760 Earths. It spins very rapidly on its axis. It spins so fast that it flattens out at the top and the bottom of the planet. The fast spin also causes Saturn to bulge at its equator. Saturn's atmosphere has winds which can blow at over 1,800 km/h. The white spots on Saturn are believed to be powerful storms. Saturn is surrounded by over 1,000 rings made of ice and dust. Some of the rings are very thin and some are very thick. 7. Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun. The planet is also notable for its tilt on its axis, which covers its axis 2 point nearly directly at the Sun. The Uranus atmosphere is made up of hydrogen, helium and methane. The temperature in the upper atmosphere is very cold. The cold methane gas is what gives Uranus its blue-green color. The rapid rotation of Uranus causes winds up to 600 km/h to blow in its atmosphere. 8. Neptune. Neptune and Uranus are very much alike, similar in composition. They are both large planets that look like big blue-green balls in the sky. Neptune has winds in its atmosphere which blow at over 2,000 km/h. This planet has large, dark circles on its surface which astronomers believe to be storms. Neptune has two thick and two thin rings which surround it. Neptune also has 14 known moons. Spheroids are small rocky bodies or planetoids. Comets are shining bodies also known as tailed stars. Satellites are moons which revolve around their parent planets. Meteors are solid bodies in outer space entering the Earth's atmosphere. All the above bodies move around the Sun in an elliptical path called the orbit. Satellites. A satellite is any object that moves in a curved path around a planet. The Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. The Saturn has 82 known satellites. The Mercury and Venus have no satellites. Jupiter has 79 satellites. Mars has 2 moons. The Earth has many artificial, man-made satellites going around it. The first artificial satellite was Sputnik 1, launched by the Soviet Union on 4 October 1957. These satellites are used for many purposes, e.g. telecommunication, weather forecasting, mineral exploring, etc. Our planet, the Earth. The Earth, our home, is the third planet from the Sun. It is a unique planet. It is the only planet known to have an atmosphere containing oxygen, water on its surface and of course, life. It looks like a blue and white ball from the outer space. It is the largest inner planet. Earth is the only planet known to support life and to have liquid water at the surface. The Earth has also a blanket of atmosphere around it. The atmosphere is made up of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, ozone, etc. Nitrogen and oxygen are two important gases. Oxygen and water are found only on the Earth. They make life possible on the Earth, life on the Earth, factors supporting it, the atmosphere that surrounds the surface of the Earth and its distance from the Sun makes it a temperate planet. Neither too hot nor too cold. The temperatures on the Earth are suitable for living beings, plants and animals. The force of gravity attracts every object on the Earth towards its center.